Many people got this expression wrong because of this common mistake here. They start off with this 3 to the power of 2, that gives 9, divided by 3 into 12 minus 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2. Then here they have 9 divided by 3. Inside parentheses, they have 12 minus 2 to the power of 3, that gives 8. Then divided by 2. And they consider this 9 divided by 3 multiplied by 12 minus 8, that gives 4, divided by 2. And later consider this 9 divided by 3 times 4, that gives 12, divided by 2. And they consider this part here, 12 divided by 2, that gives 6, and the expression becomes 9 divided by 6. This can also be expressed as 9 all over 6. Now if you reduce the numerator and the denominator by 3, they have 3 all over 2, or 1 and 1 over 2 in mixed fraction, or 1.5 in decimal. But this answer is wrong. Therefore, this first approach here is completely wrong. Do not make this mistake. Now, to get this right, we are going to have this 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 into 12 minus 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2. Then we are going to follow this order of operation called PEMDAS. Now from this order of operation, compare it with this expression here. We have parentheses here, we have exponents, we have multiplication because of these parentheses here, we have division, no addition, we have subtraction in the parentheses. Now, following this order, we are going to first of all consider parentheses, because parentheses is of higher priority than division here. We need to first of all simplify the terms inside the parentheses. And right here, even inside these parentheses, we still have an order here. We have exponents here. We are going to first of all simplify the exponent before any other one. Therefore, the expression becomes 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3, then into 12 minus 2 to the power of 3, that gives us 8, then divided by 2. When now still in the parentheses, we have here 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3. When this is multiplication, we multiply this 12 minus 8, that gives us 4, divided by 2. Now right here, what are we going to consider next? We are going to consider exponents. Exponents here now. 3 to the power of 2, that will give us 9, divided by 3, multiplied by 4, divided by 2. Now, following this order of operation, what are you going to consider next? We are going to consider division here, because multiplication and division have the same precedence, and the operation here is from left to right. We have your left to right. Therefore, we are going to consider this division here. 9 divided by 3, that will give us 3. Then multiply by 4 divided by 2. The next is multiplication. We're going to consider multiplication. 3 multiplied by 4, that will give us 12, then divided by 2. And lastly, we have 2 divided by 2, and that will give us 6. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video.